Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2019 module for SAN Project 1B. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1, Conditional Formatting, Quarter 4 Expenses. Switch to the Current Expenses worksheet, select the range E5, E9, and apply gradient fill blue data bars from Conditional Formatting to visually highlight the expense variations. Step 2, Sparklines for Expense Trends. In the range F5, F10, insert line sparklines using data from B5, E10 to show expense trends across quarters. Change the sparkline color to red, accent 6 from the Theme Colors palette for better contrast. Step 3, Pie chart modifications for Quarter 1 expenses. Select the existing chart in G4-022 and make the following changes. Set the title to Quarter 1 expenses. Update the data labels to show category names, positioning them at the inside end. Remove the legend to reduce redundancy. Step 4, creating a pie chart for Quarter 4 expenses. Select non-adjacent ranges A5, A9 and E5, E9, then insert a 2D pie chart. Resize and reposition the chart to fit within G23-039, aligning it neatly with the chart above. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website xlsx.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.